Hey guys, welcome to my cooking channel. So today we are making some crab wontons. These are my absolute favorite. Anytime we go to a Thai restaurant, this is a must order. These are very light and fluffy inside and very crispy on the outside. It's very easy to make. It's just simple ingredients. It's just cream cheese, paprika, salt, onion powder and garlic powder. That's all you need, and of course canned crab meat. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite, see how it is. So I have some sweet and sour sauce here. It's really good. Wow, these are delicious. I love them. They have perfect amount of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and the cream cheese and the crab meat. For you seafood lovers out there, this is amazing. I really hope you like my recipes, and until next time, see you. Bye.